like to share with you guys how to create a Google site today. So the first thing you need to do to create a Google site is have a Google account. And right here I am currently logged in with my Fort Hays State Google account. After you have logged in, you need to go to sites.google.com. Once you've gone there, you're going to start out by starting your new site or creating your new site. So we're going to go down here and press the plus button. Once you've pressed that, up comes your site. And let's go ahead and give our website a title. So I'm going to say Coach D's PE class. And there's things that you can do with this. You can change the size by going here. And I'm going to stick with title. I don't really like how the word class is down here. I would like it all on one line. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and stretch that out to my liking and there. And then once I've done that, you can move it around on the website. We're going to put it, if over here it's too much to the left, so I'm going to go ahead and slide it right back over here. So it's right in the middle. Anytime you want to preview to make sure that it's looking like you want it to, you can click here, and this will be a preview site of what it would look like. If you click here, it shows you what it would look like on a cell phone, a tablet, and a large screen. One other feature that you need to really know about is doing the undo and redo. This is in case you make an error. It's much easier to edit when you do that versus going back or forward here. That is not recommended. And that is how you start up a Google site.